Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I gonna show you how we can roast our baby potato in this oven, okay? And I would like to let you know guys, roasted baby potato we can use as for the garnish and as for the side dish and as for the starter as well as. So let's start.
So you can see guys, it's our baby potato. So we will cut all of this baby potato one by two, and I would like to let you know guys, before cut off this baby potato we need to wash it, because you know guys, this potato he always grows in a inside the soil. So because of that we have to wash it nicely, then we can cut it. So you can see guys how I am cutting these things, so you have to also follow like this. So guys, some limited item we will use for the make roasted baby potato. So you can see my roasted baby potato has been cut, and we will put oil, right? So we will put a little bit oil, because it's too much, the quantity of this baby potato. So because of that I'm putting too much oil. And then salt we will put. Then continuously we will spread salt everywhere, sprinkle. And then after that we will put this Cajun spice. It's a Mexican spices guys. So it's Cajun spices. So we will spread it, and fresh black pepper we will crush all everywhere on the top of this baby potato. And then guys, after this we will put the rosemary. So you can see how I am putting. So uh, we will break his leaves from the rosemary guys, for the flavor, for the nice fragrance. So it's almost done guys. So only limited item we have to use for our roasted baby potato, and now we will mix it nicely, so all the flavor will be include. So after that, I would like to let you know guys, it's the quantity like around 12 kg baby potato which I am mixing right now. So because of that, all this stuff I put more, like oil I put more, salt I put more, and sorry, black pepper I put more, Cajun spicy I put more. So because of that I put everything extra, because it's quantity 12 kg. It's too much guys, too much quantity. So only limited item we have to use for our roasted baby potato: oil, salt, Cajun spice. Is we If we don't have a Cajun spice, so we can use the fresh black pepper, and rosemary or thyme, whatever we have available on that time. So we can use these things guys. So now it's done. So guys, you can see I already put this one inside the oven. So I close the door. So you can see 180-degree roasting for 15 minutes. So you can see guys, now I already removed this baby potato, and you can see it's done guys. Bye.